Best deals.
1. Dish drainer. Made using high-quality, durable plastic. Equipped with a portable spoon, fork and knife holder. Consists of a storage basket for storing and arranging just washed utensils. Provision of a slanting surface at the bottom for quick water drainage from washed utensils into the sink, keeping the kitchen clean and dry. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Sponge mop. With easily replaceable sponge heads and an extendable handle, it's versatile and convenient. Suitable for all floor types, walls, glass, and bathroom surfaces, this mop is the all-in-one solution you've been searching for. Mop features a honeycomb sponge that revolutionizes the mopping experience. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Glass bottle. Is ideal for storing water, juice, wine, milk, soda, and more. Each glass bottle 250 ml is perfect for everyday use in the kitchen, office, or while traveling. Each airtight glass bottle is equipped with a durable rubber seal and a secure flip cap glass bottle closure to keep beverages fresh and prevent spills. Also serves as an airtight glass bottle solution for long-term storage. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Oil sprayer. Filling this versatile oil spray bottle with your favorite oils, sunflower oil, vinegar, soy sauce, lemon and lime juice, sherry or masala wine. It can be widely used for salad making, cooking, baking, roasting, grilling, frying, BBQ and so on. Spray oil directly onto the cookware or over food, easily refillable and reusable. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Sponge wipes. Made from high-quality cotton cellulose that is soft yet durable, providing excellent absorbency and effective cleaning for various surfaces. Ideal for kitchen countertops, dishes, bathroom tiles, and general household cleaning tasks, making it a multi-purpose cleaning solution. Each sponge measures 20 by 18 centimeters, offering ample surface area for efficient cleaning and wiping of larger areas. Comes in a convenient pack of 5 multicolor wipes, ensuring you have enough supply for extended use and different cleaning needs. Designed to withstand multiple washes and repeated use, maintaining its shape and cleaning effectiveness over time. Whether you're wiping down kitchen countertops, cleaning dishes, or maintaining surfaces around your home, these utility sponges deliver reliable performance. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Dustbin. Easily dispose of waste without lifting a lid, perfect for hassle-free use and quick cleaning. Ideal for the kitchen, bathroom, and under sink, hang it on cabinet doors or use as a standalone bin, perfect for small spaces while providing ample storage. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, 100% food grade, and BPA-free, ensuring safety and durability. Equipped with a built-in handle for easy transport, smooth surface allows for effortless cleaning. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Bowls. Serve curries, desserts, ice cerams, nuts and nibbles to friends and family in these earthy serving bowls. Crafted from agri-waste in eclectic pastel hues, these will surely add oomph to any dining table. Go ahead and flaunt. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Storage jars. Made from premium food-grade silicone that won't crack, shatter, or chip like glass. Safe for everyday use in busy kitchens, family homes, travel, picnic and RV living. BPA-free silicone keeps your food safe. A clean, safe choice for storing hot or cold meals. Ideal for fridge and pantry organization, store snacks, cereals, pasta, grains, baking ingredients, store leftovers, soups, stews, sauces, jams, pickles, sourdough starter, and meal prepped hot or cold foods with ease. Freezer safe for meal prep, microwave safe for reheating, and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, one container that does it all. Secure lid helps keep food fresh longer while preventing spills during fridge or freezer storage. With detachable handles, flexible silicone, wide mouth and fill lines allows for efficient storage and effortless food removal without bulky containers. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Drawer. Organize your essentials easily with this 5-tier modular storage cabinet, ideal for clothes, toys, kitchen items, toiletries, stationery and more. Built for daily use, made from durable, long-lasting plastic, designed to withstand regular use without bending, cracking or fading. Smooth glide drawers for easy access. Each drawer opens effortlessly, making it convenient to store and access everyday items. Great for kids, office or home organization. With 360 degrees wheels, this chest of drawers can be moved anywhere in the house without lifting. Perfect for compact spaces and quick cleaning. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Container. Airtight seal with great elasticity. Power locks tightly. It is made up of superior raw material with durability and heat-resistant ability, which is friendly to the human body. Microwave, freezer and dishwasher safe. The versatile storage containers can be used to transport lunches to and from work or school. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Strainer. Perfect for storing and reusing cooking oil while saving counter space. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Saucepan. Is great to cook tea, boil milk, roasting spices. The saucepan is made from cast aluminium body with a non-stick coated granite finish inner layer. Is made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame. Enjoy a low oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. The ergonomic soft touch handle ensures a comfortable grip. The handle is heat resistant and stay cool even on the stovetop. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Container. Made from pure brass, ensuring high quality and authenticity. Storing food in brass containers can enhance the nutritional value by retaining essential nutrients and minerals. Suitable for storing a variety of food items such as spices, grains, snacks, and more. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Egg separator. Crafted from high quality, food-grade plastic, this egg separator ensures safety and reliability in your kitchen. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Coconut breaker. Is a unique device specially designed to break the coconut into two halves. Coconut can be easily broken on this and water collects in the tray. Removes and collects kernels from the cob in just one quick motion. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Burner stand. Small vessels only works when used above a gas pan supporter, comfortably fits on most gas hob stove burner supporters. It is a standard size product that fits on most of the gas burners. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Container. The circular see-through lid offers an airtight seal that locks in freshness and prevents contamination, while allowing you to easily identify contents without opening the container. Ideal for cabinets, shelves, and countertops, making it a perfect steel container for kitchen storage set. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Ice cube molds. The sufficient and valuable set is practical for making ice cubes for your drinks, and each one can make 60 ice cubes about 0.5 inches. The ice cup molds are very practical and lightweight. Pour half the water into the cup when making. Only takes 3 seconds to complete the water injection, saving time. Then insert it into the silicone cup, gently press the bottom of the lid to expel the air, and put it in the refrigerator for a few hours. This silicone ice cube maker cup is easy to apply. Press the ice cup lightly, the ice cubes fall off and easy to use. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Tawa. The molten metal takes the shape of the mold and the result is a complex, intricately designed pot or pan which adds the metal where it is needed the most, building strength and functionality. Once the molten metal hardens, the mold is opened and the die-cast pan is removed. The final result is a finely engineered piece of cookware with wonderful properties for cooking. Ideal for quick snacks like, for making uttapam, fried eggs, aloo tikki, fish fry and many more. Suitable for use on gas, electric, ceramic and halogen. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Container. The whole capacity up to 4 ounces if you fill it to the very edge of the jar. but the scale marks on the body show up to 2 ounces to make sure you can clearly see the capacity from the outside without opening the lid. Perfect size for packing sauces, salad dressings, peanut butter, jams, dressings, snacks, veg puree, fruits, solid baby foods, mashed avocado, pesto. The small containers are made of high-quality glass which is eco-friendly, reusable, and doesn't contain anything harmful. The lids are made of BPA-free plastic which is strong and long-lasting. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Chopper. Processor is a manual food processor and chopper comes with 2 gears for power and speed. The chopper comes with high-quality sharp stainless steel blades for quality in life. The material used in this product meets the US FDA requirement and it is non-breakable plastic. This food processor product with its 5 different gadgets makes your multiple daily kitchen routine simple and easy. The food processor has 5 different gadgets for easy chopping, dough making, slicing, shredding, and whipping. A unique transparent design of the food processor enables you to experience the internal engineering and functioning of the product. Capacity of food processor bowl is 1.5 liters. Making dough is an art, and if you don't know this art then you should probably need an atta kneader. Pigeon food processor is a simple device that takes this mess off your hands, quite literally. It does all the kneading work for you and gives you perfect dough to work with. It is a simple, manual dough maker that requires you to spend minuscule energy on it. Whisking is a cooking technique that involves the continuous movement of a whisk through a liquid to aerate or incorporate multiple ingredients. With whisker attached with food processor, helps you easily whip eggs, make yogurt and cream. With 4-setting slicer dicer disc, fine, thick juliennes and slicing are much more safer and easier with Pigeon Tornado Turbo food processor. The 3 stainless steel chopping blades ensure clean and hassle-free cutting of fruits and vegetables. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Kadhai. Features non-stick shielded by stainless steel ridges, allowing you to confidently use metal spatulas without worrying about damaging the surface. With an extra thick tri-ply construction, this pan retains heat exceptionally well. The sturdy, stay-cool stainless steel handles are designed to provide a comfortable grip even when the pan is hot. Engineered with precision, the pan features stainless steel rivets and brackets that are firmly fixed, ensuring stability and durability. Enjoy the benefits of low-oil cooking with the PFOA-free non-stick coating reinforced on tri-ply stainless steel. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Coffee grinder. The metallic burr grinder produces a fine and even ground coffee, which better retains the aroma of coffee and helps you to taste great coffee. The electric coffee grinder offers 16 kinds of grinding sizes. Enjoy the different grind sizes and coffee styles right from the comforts of your kitchen. The coffee grinder has a large capacity to make 12 cups of grounds. The setting of adjustable cups can be used for a single person, for families, or even in the office. The electric burr grinder is small in size and good in quality, and glazed black can better show the texture of the product. Moreover, it will perfectly fit into your kitchen. Upper chamber, container, and the grinding burr mill inside the machine can be removed easily for cleaning. You can use a cleaning brush to clean the insides of the coffee grinder. Start grinding your coffee beans easily with just the press of a button. No more tired arms and wasting 10 to 15 minutes of your valuable morning time. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Storage bag. Built with the fine quality materials to endure long-term and frequent use. Actual size of big storage bag may vary in plus size up to 2 cm more than shown in image, title and description. Made of waterproof material fabric with pleasing looks, the bag makes an elegant storage solution for your wardrobe needs. Top zipper makes easy opening and closing with one zippered small pocket. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Glass jar. Creates an airtight seal to keep contents fresh and prevent leaks. Non-porous glass surface allows for effortless cleaning by hand. Ideal for dry goods like sugar, flour, tea, coffee, spices, biscuits, and oats. Transparent jar allows you to easily identify contents at a glance. A thoughtful and practical gift for any home cook or hostess. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Basket. Comes with a high-grade stainless steel mesh laid to keep fruits fresh and protected from dust and insects. Elegant and functional design that enhances the look of your dining and center table. Spacious 12-inch size perfect for storing apples, bananas, oranges, and more. Fine mesh net cover allows airflow while keeping bugs away, ideal for indoor use. It is advised to clean the product periodically with dishwasher cloth and gap cleaning brush, which is included in the package. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Molds. It is very easy to making ice cream. Just fill the molds maker with the required ingredients and keep it in the freezer. This mold maker prepares 8 key type ice candies, creams at a time. Made in India product with 100% food grade and BPA free material. Because for us, your health is the most important requirement. This feature also helps reduce waste with an eco-friendly, reusable design. It can be used over and over again to make all natural large frozen treats such as juice, yogurt with fruit and anything you like. No more sticky hands. These ice cream molds are designed to make drip-free ice creams and give a clean, no-mess experience. Molds keep your fingers and clothes free from sticky drips. Product link is given in the 27th link.